Pool Construction Part 2. Okay, let's get started right away. There is still a lot to do. A steel wall-round pool with a diameter of 4 meters and a depth of 1.35 meters was ordered, along with a matching grey plastic handrail. The blue pool liner has a thickness of 0.8 millimeter. The steel wall was carefully placed in the pre-assembled bottom rail. Minor scratches, as well as the hole I cut for the underwater spotlights, were painted with zinc spray to protect against corrosion. The special underlayment was carefully laid on the foundation, and after the appropriate gaskets were installed in the openings for the skimmer, inlet nozzle, and underwater spotlight, the liner was installed. It was secured with the handrail. Quickly tested the spotlight for waterproofing and functionality. It looks fantastic when it's dark. After connecting the skimmer and inlet nozzle to the filter circuit, I was able to fully fill the pool. It's time to take a moment to enjoy the experience. The next major challenge was to first cover the steel wall with thin styrofoam panels and then fill the gap with lean concrete. But first, we had to make some space in the garden. The next 7.5 cubic meters of dumpster were quickly ordered, but not quite as quickly filled. After completing that and backfilling the pool with lean concrete, I constructed a formwork for securing the ladder. It was placed directly on the lean concrete and reinforced with steel. Now it's time for a proper pool deck. But first, quickly rake the garden and sow the lawn. Then, the first beam could be concreted in using post supports. For the upper beams, I have leveled smaller pieces of my decking tiles in several places to ensure they have solid support points in level. Time for some paint. To prevent weeds from growing through the deck, I have also laid down special weed control fabric. The beams rest on small, hard rubber mats to minimize any potential noise when walking over them. After finishing the final section of the pool deck, I built 2 steps using the remaining paving stone. Unfortunately, the bathing season has come to an end, so I started dismantling and cleaning the filtration system. The water was drained to below the level of the pool spotlight, and the pool was covered with a 6-meter tarpaulin. And don't miss the next video where we continue building the pool deck and erect a wall all around it. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.